Uh, Good evening, good morning, sa good afternoon. Nandito lang ako para sabihin yung nararamdaman ko kay Ronilyn Opinaldo nung malapit ko na maging misis. Sweet nga niya eh. Pinadala niya ako ng mga pictures niya. Ito, dami. Pakita ko yung pictures niya. Ayan. Marami basta. Dali. Ito yung nakasalamin siya. Ayan. Tapos, pinadala niya ako ng CD. Picture ko yung nandun. Sweet. Saka yung SpongeBob niya na CD. Mga love songs na gusto niya. Nandyan. Lala. Dito yung team song namin na Makita Kang Muli. Yung sa Panday. Saka may sulat siyang pinadala sa akin. Ito. Binabasa ko yan palagi. Wala lang. Gagawin ko ngayon, kakanta lang ako nung first song na kinanta ko sa kanya, I think. Nung unang nag-usap kami. Ito pala yung sulat niya. Okay. Kakantahin ko, alam niya na yung kakantahin ko yung Because of You, yung theme song namin din na isa. Okay. Sana hindi ako magkamali. Saka sana hindi ko makalimutan yung lyrics. Okay. Ready? If ever you wonder if you touch my soul, yes you do. Since I met you, I'm not the same. You bring life to everything I do. Just the way you said hello, with one touch I can't let go. Never thought I'd fall in love with you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. Sometimes I get lonely, and all I gotta do is think of you. You capture something inside of me. You make all of my dreams come true. It's not enough that you love me for me. You reach inside and touch me eternally. I love you, best explain how I feel for you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. The magic in your eyes, true love I can't deny. When you hold me, I just lose control. I want you to know that I'm never letting go. You meant so much to me. I want the world to see it's because of you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. Wala lang, yun lang. Sorry kung pangit yung boses ko. Pause na ako, hindi na pa ako makakanta eh. Wala. Gusto ko sabihin na sa lahat ng taong makakapanood ng video, hindi ako maiyang sabihin na mahal kita. Saka gagawin ko yung mga promises ko. Okay? Tiwala ka lang sa akin. Please, saka yung mga away natin, kahit nag-away tayo, magbabati tayo, di ba? Di ba, baby? Bye-bye. Love you ulit. Bye-bye.